Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install October CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. October is a free and open source content management system based on PHP and Laravel web application framework. Okay, now let us see how to install October CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. Before starting our installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.0. Okay, now we have to download the October CMS package using my wget command. The download is complete now. After downloading, we have to extract this download directory using my unzip command. Now we have to list out this directory. Then here we have to rename the install-master directory. Then we have to move the October directory into the /var/ww/html directory using my move command. Now go to HTML directory. Then here we have to list out this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for the October directory. Then we have to configure the virtual host for October CMS. So go to site available location. Then here we have to create october.conf file using my Vim editor. Now change insert mode. Then here we have to create name-based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. After configuring, we have to enable the october.conf file. Then we have to enter to the host file. Change insert mode. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache server. Then after restarting our Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Here it will show on October CMS installation. First of all, here we can see system check. Everything is fine. Now here we can see license agreement. Scroll down. Then we have to click agree and continue. Then here we can see database setting. Here already I have created database and database user. So we have to fill the database detail. First of all, we have to give database name. Then database username. Then password. Then scroll down. Then we have to click administrator. Then here we can see admin user setting. So we have to fill the admin credential. After filling the details, we have to click continue. Then here we can see how do you want to set up your site. So we have to click start from a theme. Then here we can see theme selection. So we have to select any themes. Then click install. The installation going on. Then here we can see the installation is complete now. Now if you want to log in your admin page, click here. Then here we can see login page of October CMS. So we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. Then finally we can see admin page of October CMS. Thus we have seen how to install October CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linux. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.